Hey guys, I'm on a new game today. It's Animal Crossing New Horizons. I'm going to be playing with a friend today. Hopefully all my town's set up. I haven't done much. I'll just be playing around for a bit until she's ready to get on. Ah, my mother sent me something. Tree. What did she get me? Three cherries. Might end up planting those, so I have more trees for fruits and stuff. I got no bells. A picnic basket? I think I need to do those point things. What was the button? Oh, there. Nook Miles. Done that. I'm gonna go say hi to people. That one to catch bugs. I think this one is fishing. But I can't do those without money. Say hi to these people. Still I'm Australian. They gave me a koala. And they call it Canberra. So one of the places over here is called. And yes, it's a koala, not a drop bear. Those aren't real. Is this Timmy or Tommy? No, Tommy. Oh, she sent me a message. She might be ready to come on. find that eye. I forgot who the other one is. He's only played up to where you need to do before you can play with someone else. He might be in his tent. Well, this is my tent. Oh, there he is. Bam. I'll see if I've completed everything. Need to do 10. Okay, so apparently she's busy right now. So I'll probably just do this little part and finishing some stuff. I might plant one of them here. How do you plant? Oh, I think you gotta dig a hole first. See if it works if you talk to a person again. Because otherwise it'll take a long time. And I need bells now. No, it doesn't. Oh, there's more. Gardening. Oh, you sell fruit. Seashells. Well, I just have to do that for bells. And go to the beach. I think I have some shells already. And there was only one. Check this side. Are you serious? These parts are gonna be short because I can't really do much yet. Oh, what's this? Oh, cardboard box. Conch. It's not too bad. That's just saying I completed an objective for the Nook Miles. Does he accept coral? I'm going good with bells now. $900 for that. That is awesome. I have no idea what that says. That is kind of terrible. Now I'll see how much objectives have done. Seller of unwanted stuff. Claim 300 Nook Miles. You got total keywords. What are those used for? I'll see. I gotta sell 10 shells. Sorry about this. I actually didn't get the opening part of the game recorded. So what I'll do is record them again and splice it into the video. What's this? Can I collect it? I can't. What have I completed? Nook Phone Life. Oh, from using the phone. Can't seem to pick it up. Oh, you probably got to dig it up. Oh, I can probably buy fishing rod or a bug net. No, they're both 400, so I can afford them both. But they're the crappy ones. What are these? A DIY for beginners. Slingshot recipe. I'll get these. I don't have the recipe. Yeah, I'll buy them. Then buy the recipe for the slingshot. What do you need medicine for? It's rude. No buy DIY for beginners. Oh, are you serious? You are so annoying, Timmy. Yep. Oh, and I didn't record the start where you first get to the island. So you can you'll be able to find videos of that on YouTube. Oh, that's going to be easy to find. Did I finish another one? Maybe for the DIY workbench. Or buying... Oh no, for buying something. Oh, what's this new one? Bell ringer. Oh, get 5,000 bells. Oh, you gotta spend them. Active island resident. Just gotta play this every day. Which I will do if you guys enjoy this. I think that's 5. Yep. Oh no. I just bought one. I'm really annoyed. That's what he was talking about before. I thought I needed the recipe for it. So that's why I bought one. He should have said that. He's actually being nice for once. Ooh. So they break. So it's not bad bought one. It is kind of annoying. Can make a camp. Need some more tree branches. 5, 6. Need about 8 for those. I do have a recipe for the slingshot, but it wasn't there. I'll just grab a heap of branches, because I think I will need some for the slingshot. I need a shovel as well. And a watering can. Oh, I can capture some bugs. A yellow butterfly. Oh, did I scare that grasshopper thing? I was pretty sure in New Leaf that things don't break. So that is very annoying. Oh, here's one. Where are you? Oh, he disappeared. Oh, there he is. Got ya! Oh, long locust. Just get a heap of tree branches. A lot of them require it. Ooh, that one looks huge. Pretty sure I've already made a campfire. It doesn't have it ticked, so I'll just make it again. It's been like 23 minutes. So I'll make all these, and then I'll end the part. Why is this one brown? Oh, I do have the recipe, so why isn't slingshot there? Keep crafting. I need to give him the recipe. Talk to him. I found a creature. Oh, I think that was Blathers from New Leaf. let's keep the other locust in my house. Another app. Must be something to do with bugs. Oh, bug and fish. Critterpedia. Oh, awesome, an axe. Finished more. Oh, there's some new stuff. That's probably what it is. Oh, that's cool. Different bugs appear during different seasons. I've got no fish yet. Oh, I got a tiki torch, log stakes. How do you make softwood? Where do you get stone from? Oh, your passport. Very first island dweller. I'm not an Aquarius. Rescue service. It's probably if it's a glitch or something. Custom designs. I'll buy that recipe. Slingshot recipe. Flimsy axe. Already got that recipe. DIY for beginners. I'm actually enjoying this, so I might make this part a bit longer. Right up to 30 minutes. I'll just get all this wood. Oh, he's a white butterfly. I caught you. It's a common butterfly. Here's stone, but how do you get it? I'll go get that fish. No, I've forgotten how to fish. Yep. Oh, good, it's the same as the last game. Caught a carp. If I catch another, they can carpool. Oh, another kind of butterfly. Monarch. I can't get over there yet. That's annoying. I don't know why they sell peaches in the store if they're there. A cordial butterfly? Oh, dragonfly! Got ya! I saw something over there. Oh, there he is. I wanted that one. Oh, it's a big fish. Go on, go get it. Ah! Thought he pulled it down. And quickly. I don't think there's any more branches. So I'll give this guy, or Tom, the fish and stuff that I caught. And I'll have to end the part. They better put Blathers in this game, because it was cool. What's this? I wasn't reading. Red Cosmos bag. Oh, planting. Well, I can't plant without a watering can. Or a shovel. Monarch butterfly. Oh, don't need a watering can. I can't have one. Got no recipe. I don't know if I gave him a yellow butterfly. Ah. It's probably Blathers. It is! Yeah, if you know where that name is from, I got it from the anime Fairy Tail, the Aquarius spirit, because it would. This is an island, so I thought it'd be a good name for it. Is he coming? Yes! I'm not good at this kind of thing, so might not be a good area. You might like it here. Yeah, I'll place him here. I don't want to get rid of that peach tree. I might put him over here. There's no peach trees. Yeah, I won't get rid of any trees here. Is that other elk gonna come? I can't remember if she was his sister or wife. Oh, cops appeared during all the season. know this part's running long. Trying to get all this done as quick as I can. Oh, an ocarina! I actually want to play Zelda. I might get the GameCube rigs, so they'd be better quality for you guys. Because I haven't worked out how to record N64 games yet. I might have to get a SCART HDMI converter. I just don't know if that will work with my recording software. I don't give him anything else. Oh, because Blathers is coming. Oh, damn it. Need 3,000 more. I'll quickly see if it'll end the part if I can't. How do I make softwood? Yeah, I don't think I can because I inches left. Where did I get a clump of weeds from? Now I really need to research all this new stuff because I have no idea what to do. I'll save and then end the part. Sorry. Whoa, this ended up being longer than Scooby-Doo. And I'm running out of recording room. Alright guys, see ya.